i.e., you're writing code to control your town's traffic lights. You need a function to handle each change from green to yellow to red and then to green again. Okay, let's have a look. Here we are. As you can see, the test case is perfectly laid out what we have to do. The traffic light has to change from green to yellow, from yellow to red, and from red to green. And this is particularly suited for a dictionary. What we can do is to create a dictionary here, dictionary, and assign it key value pairs. So here we use the curly braces. So the first key value pair will be green, separated from the value by a colon from the value yellow, and then a comma to go on with the second key value pair. That will be respectively yellow, colon, red. And lastly, we have red and green. There we go. So let's print the entire dictionary. There we have it. And let's say that we only want to return the value of red. That should be green, this one. What we can do with square brackets is to give in the key. It would be red, and that should return green. Ta-da. So in the case of the function, we can replace red by the argument and replace print by the return statement. There we go. Yellow returns red, and that is the right value. Perfect.